Hey folks, we're sitting pretty at a very special event at Laguna Seca WeatherTech Raceway. This is Hypercar Invitational 2. It's a follow-up to the event I did in Atlanta when it was so cold. We're on the West Coast, and this is a McLaren Senna. Belongs to my friends Ben and Christine. And for one thing, I'm sitting next to it because I want to show off this livery. This is a tribute to the Fina gasoline oil company livery of the McLaren F1s that raced back in the 90s. And Ben worked this scheme out himself, and I swear it makes the Senna into a good-looking car. And the Senna's not a good-looking car, but this one is. I'm going to get to drive that. I'm driving the Pagani Huayra BC like I did at Road Atlanta. I'm driving a Porsche 918. I'm driving all kinds of cool cars here. GT2 RS, one of my favorite cars anywhere. It's really a special day for people that own hypercars, the extreme exotics, to show them off, have a good time in good company, and beat the virus. So, welcome to the video. Follow us along, see what the fun we had today. I'm so honored to get to hot lap these things. Driving, I don't know, 900 horsepower, 750 horsepower. All these extreme, beautiful, artistic, super powerful, exotic hypercars. until I started really leaning on it. Pretty nice car.
Well, glad you had. I'll chat with you after the session.
Yeah, have a good one. Thank you so much, Ben.
Absolutely.
Randy, Laguna Seca lap record holder for production car, street production car. How was it?
Well, better than I remember. The car is bloody fast and powerful. The gearbox is so smooth. I enjoyed that. The braking was good if I just push hard enough. And the car felt like it had an incredibly stiff body structure. I was impressed by that. And so the steering response was good. Interestingly, the Pagani is actually feels better on Road Atlanta. It's a better Road Atlanta car. To me, the Senna feels better here at Laguna Seca. It just seems to suit the slower corners better. The quick steering response is part of the benefit of this super stiff chassis. I have this impression of great structural rigidity, incredible power, and very smooth gearbox. And strong braking as long as I just push hard enough and then figure it's going to be all right. The car, for whatever reason, it stops better at the end of the brake zone. So when I go to brakes, it's not stopping all that great. But then later on, it really... So, way better than I remember, Jonathan.
That's awesome.
Next, GT2 RS .2. I don't think there was a .1 GT2 RS. I love these. I can't wait to get in it. I had the lap record here at Laguna for a short time in one. It's so well balanced. This is the best handling 911 I've ever driven.
Hey, copy?
Yes.
Randy's coming up right now, so you can be ready to go. First one out. I'm ready. All right, we're all set. Thanks, Randy.
Stopped so well. Fantastic.
Not your best? Of course not.
Well, it got a little...
Little squirrely?
little squirrely, not bad. It's just so drivable. You know, I could drive it that way. It was really a beautiful thing. Video's gonna look good. Thanks very, very much. And I sure appreciate it. I didn't see anybody though. I was in the clear. A blue Ferrari went by right at the end. And I ran with him for 2 corners just to see. And we had the power, but he had way more grip. Race car. Man, I love these things. Fantastic. I'd put more wing in it.
Yeah?
More wing, drop the tire pressures, especially the rear. Boom. Yeah, and you don't have any camber. You got a street alignment, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd put some wing in it. I think that there's more available.
Yes, there is.
And probably remove those for the track.
Yeah.
What a fantastic car, though. I'm getting completely spoiled by the torque. Well, it's been an amazing day. Hypercar Invitational. They're putting away the cars. I had to show off this, what looks like a Mercedes 300 SL or SLR. It's a resto rod done to an incredibly high level of detail and quality. It's got a good old Corvette V8 in it. I don't know what the chassis is. It may be Corvette related, but it's one of the most exquisite resto rods I've ever seen. No, I didn't get to hot lap it. Maybe someday I get a chance to drive this, but it's an example of the kind of cars that we've been playing with and living with and enjoying all day. It's just been a thrill to be among these hypercars at this very special event created by my friend Alex Baroni. There will be more in the future, maybe even in Europe, and I can't wait for it because it feeds that car gene, right? What we enthusiasts love about the automotive world, this is the top end. This is the best of the best, and we get to drive them fast and use them for what they're built for, speed and handling. It's been such a pleasure to live this life today as a car guy life.